Hello students, today we are going to see a new concept, that is geometric construction. Although it's a very easy concept and a mark scoring topic, but there are a few questions which are a little confusing. The students go wrong. So today what we'll do is we'll see those sums. Before I start, my name is Santanu Das and I've been teaching from the last 27 years, and today let's do this geometric construction. So in geometric construction, we'll see a few challenging sums. Let's see them. So I've already written the questions. The first question: triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, and in triangle ABC, all the values are given of triangle ABC, and they have asked us to construct triangle LMN. Now, as you can see from the question, the letters are totally different. Means you have to draw two different triangles using the property of similarity. As we know, triangle ABC, when it's similar to triangle LMN, means what you can say is AB upon LM, first two letter is equal to BC upon MN is equal to AC upon LN is equal to, they have given you one ratio, that is BC upon MN, they have given to you as 5 upon 4. So if that ratio is 5 upon 4, all of the other ratios should also be equal to 5 upon 4, because this is a property of CSST, corresponding sides of similar triangles. As the triangles are similar, so the sides are proportional. Now one of the values are given to us. We have been given AB, BC and AC. So as you can see, as we know AB, BC and AC, we can find out the LM, MN and LN of the other triangle. So let's calculate them one by one. So we'll take each of the ratio. AB upon LM is equal to, everything is 5 upon 4. Now AB, I know AB is 5.5 upon LM is equal to 5 upon 4. So just cross it, cross multiply, this will go to the right hand side LM, and 5.5, and this will come to the right hand side 4 upon 5. So you just multiply. We have just cross multiplied 5 into LM and 4 into 5.5, and in the next step 5 has come in the denominator. So it's 1.1 divided. So 4.4 centimeter is LM. Then MN, same way you calculate. BC upon MN is 5 upon 4. BC, we know it as 6 centimeter upon MN is equal to 5 upon 4. Cross multiply again, 5 into MN is equal to 6 into 4. So MN is going to be 6 into 4 upon 5. So it's not cancelable fully. So you will get it as 24 upon 5. And 24 upon 5, we are going to get it as 24 upon 5. 24 upon 5 is going to be 4.8 centimeters. So MN is going to be 4.8 centimeter. And AC, the last one, AC upon LN is equal to 5 upon 4. AC upon LN is 5 upon AC upon LN is 5 upon 4. AC is given as 4.5. AC is given as upon LN is 5 upon 4. So LN is going to be, again cross multiply, 4.5 into 4 upon 5. So that's going to be 0.9. So that comes to 3.6 centimeter. So you see, what we have done is, we have got the values of all the sides of this triangle LMN. LM is going to be 4.4 centimeter, MN is going to be 4.8 centimeter, and LN is going to be 3.6 centimeter. Now they have asked us to construct both these triangles. Now I hope you know how to construct a triangle. So for example, for ABC, triangle ABC, you can consider any of them as base. So let's draw BC down. You will take the scale We'll take the scale and you will draw. You will take the scale and we have drawn BC down. BC is 6 centimeter. Then on the rounder, mark AB as 5.5 centimeter. Take 5.5 and then take the rounder and mark it. And from there, draw an arc with the help of a rounder. Then from this point is going to be A. A to C is 4.5. Again, you take 4.5 on the rounder and mark it from here. So when I'm going to join this AB is 5.5 centimeter and AC is 4.5 centimeter. So this is how triangle ABC will be drawn, and triangle LMN, we can draw MN below. You can take any of the sides down, but as we have taken BC down, so over here it also will take MN down. MN is 4.8 centimeter. So with the help of the scale, mark 4.8 centimeter. Then again, place the scale and LM is 4.4 centimeter. So you can mark 4.4 centimeter and then take the rounder and take that value. And from there, with the help of the rounder, draw an arc. And then from LN is 3.6. Again, take the scale, mark 3.6. With the help of the rounder, take the value of 3.6 and then mark it. And when you are going to join it, LM is given to you as 4.4 centimeter and LN is given to you as 3.6 centimeter. So, and conclusion, don't forget to write the conclusion, because for writing the conclusion, you will have half marks. That triangle AB, the given figures are the required triangle ABC, given figure, triangle ABC and triangle LMN are the required triangles. Required triangle. Required triangles. Yeah, so this is how triangle ABC can be drawn. Similar to triangle LMN, all the letters were different. But look into this question. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle PMN. In this, what you see is one letter is common. P letter is common. So when you see one of the letters is common, that means it will not be two triangles. Although, just like this question here also, they have given you the triangle similar. So what we'll do is, in that case, we have to draw the rough diagram first for our understanding. So when we draw the rough diagram, the base you are going to take it as whichever value is given over here. So you see, they have given you PR and PN and the triangle PQR, all the values are given. So what we are going to do is, first we'll draw the base, and the base is going to be, first let's draw the rough diagram for the understanding, and then we are going to draw the fair diagram. So base is going to be PR. PR is 5 parts, then PQ is 4 centimeter. So take Q somewhere here, and that is 4 centimeter. PR is 6 centimeter, and QR is 5 centimeter. So this is a rough diagram. Now PR is a bigger value, that is 5 part, and PN is the smaller value. Now how we draw this is, you have to see which is a bigger value. So bigger value between 5 and 3 is 5. So 5, you have to take 5 parts. Okay, how do you take 5 parts? Take an angle of say 40 degrees, take the protractor and draw an angle of 40 degrees. And here, with the help of rounder, mark 5 parts. 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5. So once you have marked this 5 parts, why we have marked? You have to always take the bigger value. So over here, the bigger value is 5. So we have marked it 5. Now you see PR, the one which we have got, is equal to 5. So we are going to join that. And PN, that is a smaller value, that is 3. So from there we have to draw an angle congruent to it, means basically this and this angle will be similar, and name this point on this as N. And again you have to draw a line parallel to this QR by taking the angle similar, and you will write the remaining letter, that is M. And this is how the construction will be done. So this is a rough diagram. Now how will you make the fair diagram? Let's do it. First of all, we need to draw the PR. Take the scale. I will write down the steps, okay, so that you can refer to, because the second one and third one is a little challenging. So first, draw PR is equal to 5 centimeter, first step. So we have drawn PR. PR is equal to 5 centimeter. Then after that, PQ is 4 centimeter and QR is 5 centimeter. So basically, PR was 6 centimeter. So draw that 6 centimeter. PR is 6 centimeter and QR is 5 centimeter. So basically how you studied in your 6th standard how to draw a normal triangle, you draw it. You have drawn PR 6 centimeter, PQ you need 4 centimeter. So mark with the help of a scale 4 centimeter. Then take the rounder, the compass, and take that length, and from here draw an arc with the rounder. So you'll get somewhere here. Then again you want RQ as 5 centimeter, take 5 centimeter and you will draw this. So this is point Q, join it. So you have got the triangle PQR, and whenever you do construction, immediately you should write the lengths immediately. Whatever you do, immediately you write it down. Then you take the protractor. Place the protractor over here, and when you place the protractor, see where the 0 is. Again, even till 10th standard, students don't see where the 0 is, they directly mark the angle. That is not the way. You should first see where the 0 is. It's inside. In the protractor, the marking is from inside 0 and outside also. So you have to see which one is coinciding with the 0, the inside values or the outside value. If it's inside value, from the inside value you count 40 degrees. Always you take 40 degrees over here and mark it. It will be here somewhere, 40 degrees, and you just draw array. And then you want 5 parts. Take the rounder, take any length and just mark over here 1 without changing the length, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you mark 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. Now as your PR is 5, so you are going to join immediately. You are going to join with the help of the scale. You will join this. So step 1 was this. Step 2, what we did was we drew angle P is equal to 40 degrees. Always you take 40 degrees for this to make it easy, and then divide ray PR into 5 parts. 5 parts because it is 5 parts. If it was 6 parts, I would have taken 6 parts. If it was 7 parts, I would have taken 7 parts. Now I want to draw an angle equal to it, that is the corresponding angle. So how we draw is, you have to keep the rounder over here and draw an arc. Okay, and without changing the value, you keep it over here and draw an arc. Once you have drawn that, then from here to here you check how much it is, and then you take that much length, and from here you draw an arc. So once you have drawn it, this angle has become congruent to this. So at the point of intersection, you just join this. I am drawing freehand, so it's not appearing fully parallel, but when you draw it exactly, you'll get a parallel, exactly parallel to this line will be. and write this as n. Immediately write n over here. Now again you want an angle congruent to this angle. You want a corresponding angle. As you can see, these two angles are similar. These two angles are congruent. So again the same process. You will take the rounder and say take some arc. Whatever the length is over here also, keep it over here, place it here, take an arc. Then whatever this length is from here, just find out how much it is with the help of the rounder and then place it here, draw an arc. And now when you are going to join this from the point of intersection, this line will be parallel to this and n. So conclusion, for writing the conclusion is half marks. Conclusion, triangle PQR and triangle PMN are constructed as shown in figure. So this is how triangle PQR is drawn similar to triangle PMN with PR upon PN being 5/3. Let's take another example where again if you see this PQR and PMN, there's one letter common. And all the values are given of triangle PQR. So again, let's draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram for this. So how the rough diagram will be, let's draw PR down. Let's draw QR down. QR is given to you as, PR is given to you as 5 centimeter. PR and PQ is given, okay? So what we'll do, PR is 5 centimeter and here PR is given. So the base will be the PR. So what is your hint of knowing what to draw as the base? Whatever the ratio is given, whichever value is given as the ratio. So PR is 5 centimeter. Then we'll change the sum little bit. QPR is given to us as 50 degrees. So then after that, we have been given QPR as 50 degrees. So take the protractor again and then mark 50 degrees. Take the protractor, see where it's 0 is coinciding and mark 50 degrees and just join it. So this is 50 degrees. Now PQ is 4 centimeter. So take PQ is 4 centimeter and mark it there, 4 centimeter. And then join this. So this is our triangle which value are given. Now we want to draw the triangle PMN similar to this PQR. Now but this time see it carefully. Which is the bigger value out of 3 and 5? 5 is the bigger value. So first, without even checking out, just draw that part, 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, 5 equal parts. And this time you see the value which you have taken. PR is 3. PR is not 5 as this was. So this time we are going to join PR with the three parts. And then for 5 parts, we have to extend this and we have to draw angles such that this is parallel to this one, and we'll give it by letter. PR has got letter N, and then we'll draw parallel to this one, that is same, we'll take the same angle and we'll give this letter PN, and which is the third letter M. So this is how we have to draw it. So this will be the rough diagram. Okay, here I forgot to write the last 2 steps. Fourth, what we did was divided it into 5 equal parts. Then we joined the 5th part with R. Join 5th part with R. That is what we did, 5th part with R. And then 5th thing we did was we drew angle P3. I have named it as P3 equal to angle P5 and draw line parallel, draw line parallel. That we did. And after that, what we did was angle R, we did angle R equal to angle N and draw line parallel, draw line parallel, and we got this line. And that's how we did it. So continuing with this third sum. So same way, first we'll draw the triangle which value is given. So first we have to take the scale. First we have to take the scale and we have to draw PR 5 centimeter. Then we have to take the protractor, mark 50 degrees, 50 degrees somewhere here, and join this with the help of the protractor. Then PQ is 4 centimeter. We'll join this. We'll use scale, no freehand. We'll not be drawing anything freehand. We have to use the scale and exact lengths. Okay. Now PQ is 4 centimeter. Takes on the scale 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Mark it, and then with the rounder you mark that. You'll get somewhere here. So you just join it PQ and then join QR. So you got the required triangle PQR. So steps, same way. Steps was, first step was we draw triangle PQR that you have studied in your lower standards in 6th and 7th, how to draw a triangle. So you just draw it that way, 4 centimeter. Now the latter part will sit and write it. Now the second part is we are going to take an angle of angle P is equal to 40 degrees and divide the ray into 5 parts. Again 5 parts because the bigger value is 5. Okay, so we are going to keep the rounder over here, mark a 40 degrees which will come somewhere here, join it. This is some 40 degrees and 5 parts. Take the rounder and take any value and just go on marking. Not too small, not too big. 2, 3, 4, 5, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. As this P, so I have written P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. PR was 3, means the length, the base which we have, that is equal to 3. In this sum, PR was equal to 5, so we joined it with 5 PR. But here PR is 3, so we'll join PR with 3. Now see what has happened is in the previous sum, the triangle we constructed came in the inside. While in this example, the triangle is coming in the outside. So after that, what we'll do is from P3, we want join third part, with R. Done that. Now we will draw an angle equal to this. How do we take the rounder and draw an arc? Same way, without changing the value, draw an arc from here. Then take this value, see how much it is, measure it, and the same value, whatever you get, just draw an arc over here. So once you have done that, just join it. And this line you get is going to be parallel to this because this angle and this angle are equal. And that letter is N. Now you want to draw an angle equal, R and N angle equal. So how to make congruent angles? Again, with the help of a rounder, draw an arc. With the help of the rounder, with the same value, draw another arc. Then with the rounder, check how much it is. And from here, you join that. And when you are going to, so this will become parallel. This line N, M will become parallel to this QR. And this is how you have to draw the construction. What we did was, first we drew angle P3 equal to angle P5, and then we drew angle R is equal to angle N. And when we join them, we get the required triangle. So conclusion, triangle PQR and triangle LMN and triangle PMN are constructed as shown in the figure. Shown in figure. So this is how the construction is done. So basically you see what is the difference between the three questions. The first one is the easiest one because both the triangles had all the three letters different. So you'll use the similarity property to find out all the lengths, and then you will draw the two triangles. In the second one and the third one, the first thing is that they will have one letter common. You can see one letter common. So whenever there's one letter common, you can't draw them separately. They have to come together. And the letter common, it is placed on the left hand side, and the base will be whichever that ratio is given. Over here PR and PN is given, so the base is going to be PR in both the cases. Only the difference is, if you can see from the second sum and the third sum, the triangle that was given to us, that is in the outside, and the triangle parallel similar to it PMN, it came inside because that was the smaller ratio. And in this example, the triangle given is in the inside because it's a smaller triangle. Now how I'm knowing this because PR is the smaller value 3, so it is coming in the inside, and our triangle, which is the other triangle PMN, is just drawn outside. So this is just the difference in these two figures, that in this case the triangle we are drawing comes inside because it is a smaller value, and here the triangle comes outside because it's bigger value. So these are the three important questions for your examinations. You need to practice it. Once you can see and draw from here, and you need to practice 2-3 times, and you'll never make a mistake in doing this. So hope you have understood this, and you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.